The sun shimmers on the calm waters of the Seine as we begin our river journey near one of the world's most iconic landmarks, the Eiffel Tower. It's a beautiful day in Paris. The sky is clear, the air is cool, and the excitement of seeing the city from the river fills the air. We're aboard one of the Bateau Parisian boats, a classic glass-topped vessel designed to give every passenger the best view of the city's splendor. As the engines hum softly, the boat gently pulls away from the dock. The Eiffel Tower slowly fades behind us, standing tall, majestic, and timeless. Almost immediately, we glide under the Pont d'Iéna, one of the many beautiful bridges that connect the left and right banks of Paris. From here, you can see couples strolling, tourists snapping photos, and families picnicking by the riverbanks. Across the river rises the Palais de Chaillot, with its grand terraces and sweeping view of the Eiffel Tower. It's part of the Trocadero, home to museums and gardens, and a favorite spot for photographers capturing the perfect Paris moment. As the boat glides smoothly along, the rhythm of Paris comes alive. Bridges, sculptures, and facades telling stories from centuries past. Each bridge has its own personality, from the sturdy stone arches of Pont de l'Alma to the ornate ironwork of Pont Alexandre III. And with every turn, new views of Paris unfold like pages in a living storybook. On our left, we pass the Musée d'Orsay, once a railway station, now one of the world's finest art museums, home to masterpieces by Monet, Van Gogh, and Renoir. Its Beaux-Arts architecture and giant clock face make it instantly recognizable. This is the artistic soul of Paris, the left bank, long a gathering place for writers, thinkers, and dreamers. As we continue downstream, the Louvre Museum appears on our right, once a royal palace, now a treasure house of world art and history. From this view, its vast facade stretches endlessly along the river, a reminder of Paris's royal past and artistic grandeur. Soon, the boat curves around the Ile de la Cité, the ancient heart of Paris. Here stands the legendary Notre Dame Cathedral. Even under restoration, it remains magnificent. The flying buttresses, the towers, and the Gothic sculptures all whisper stories of faith, resilience, and time. We slow down a little, taking in the beauty and symbolism of this sacred place that has watched over Paris for centuries. Just beyond is Ile Saint-Louis, smaller, quieter, and full of charm. Elegant old mansions line its edges, and Parisians can be seen leaning on the stone railings, enjoying the gentle river breeze. This is the Paris of poets and painters, tranquil, timeless, and full of romance. As the boat turns and begins its journey back, the late afternoon sun paints the city in gold. The reflections on the water dance like ripples of light, couples toast with glasses of wine, cameras click, and for a moment, everyone aboard seems to fall silent, simply taking it all in. And then, as if to complete the perfect Parisian circle, the Eiffel Tower reappears on the horizon, now bathed in the warm glow of sunset, or sparkling in the night. It's the perfect finale to a magical river cruise. A reminder that Paris, from the water, isn't just a city, it's a living poem, a timeless story, and an experience that stays with you long after the boat docks. Please continue joining us in our exploration this time of Paris, the City of Lights. Please subscribe, like and follow my YouTube channel for more travel videos.